In this practice, I'm going to show you how to draw a lovely giraffe. Because giraffe has a long neck, so we're going to draw his head is around here, close to the top. Then his long neck is here, goes down. Then his body sitting here. Okay. Let's start from his head. First of all, let's draw a long rectangle, soft rectangle, or big U like this. We'll leave some space, or you can make it close. It's both okay. Then let's draw his ear. His ears like this. Then two short line with a circle. His horns look like this. Two short line with around a circle. Okay, then let's give him two dots as his cute eyes and small dots as his nose and a small smile. Then let's draw his long neck. From small to bigger, the two lines will go wider a little bit. And let's make some lines. Some short lines. Short line as his hairs. You know, giraffe have some hair, long hairs on the back and on the neck, and the head. So, okay. So let's draw his body like this. And here is his leg. He's sitting. And his arms are crossing like this. Very elegant, right? And this is his tail. Then let's draw some spot on it. You know, giraffe have some beautiful pattern on it. The spot. Okay. You can draw some curve like this to show his spot. And then let's draw the line. Here you go. There is a cute giraffe. Hope you enjoy the drawing. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.